Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Chantel's Home Cooking. Today I am making taco salad. So I have some ground turkey that I am cooking. Please note that you can use ground beef if you don't like ground turkey. And I have some chili powder. So I'm just simply sprinkling some chili powder on my meat. And after that, we will move on to the next step. Stay tuned. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So after I sprinkled the chili powder, I also added some water. The recipe directions will be in the description below. Okay, so the ground meat is completely done. So first you want to lay your lettuce on your plate. Guys, you can add chopped avocados and tomatoes on here. However, I am going to use salsa instead because I don't like the raw tomatoes itself. So you're free to do it however you like it. Let's put the meat on here. So I'm pretty much going to just like layer it. So guys, believe it or not, I have not had a taco salad like this since high school, which was a long time ago, very long time ago. So we have the lettuce, ground turkey, and I'm using the round tortilla chips. So I'm adding my salsa. Okay, so you are free to use the Mexican cheese. I am just using some mozzarella cheese on mine. And then you can top this with sour cream. Just a little dollop in the center. Okay guys, so my taco salad is complete. Please do not forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Check out my other playlist. I have a keto diet playlist as well as a low carb healthy recipes playlist as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all on the next video. And you all have a blessed day. Bye now.